No, MASICKA is one of the baddest things today. Where lyrics is concerned, style, pattern, consistency, dropping tune like bird shit.
A few moments later.
This smart bird poops on thorny cacti on purpose. It's called the mockingbird. Its poop carries tristeric seeds, specially made.
Don't know me the facts and know things set, you know. Yeah, man. People. Yo, from where do you know? Me hear them talk about, man, consistency. See? I mean, they are pre. I mean, I say, yo, you know when the industry try to protect your R, because this is what them always do. You see, when it forward down to summer, you know, them not talk about the early part of the year when it comes to MASICKA, you know. Yeah, man. It's when it coming up close to summer, going to Christmas, you can know when album are forward. Yeah, man. Them prep up everything. See? Everything them prep up. Because you don't know, label and marketing well in a Jamaica, you know. Yeah, man, and the Instagram page, them get paid. You know, them just prep up something, some like a PR thing to make things look good. You understand? Yeah, man. I think I see them put up something about rich sex or whatever, but we know that go with the buy views thing already. You understand? Because enough of them people who you see with numbers are buy views, you know. Yeah, man. Buy views, man. You see it. But, people, who know didn't know, say, MASICKA feature upon enough song. Them not talk about it, you know. Them say, him a drop be hits. Him consistent and him a drop a hit song, them a one bag of thing. You understand? Yeah, man. So, you have a song, can you go see all of the songs them put up, you know. See? Him have one with Skip Marley. Him and or Ding Dong and Skip Marley. See? Video and everything, you know, man. See? Them not talk about it. That's the thing. Them say him a drop be hits. The only song them me him a talk about are the Mute and I think the name Rich Sex and one bag of thing. Zine, but we know MASICKA things stay already. Some hot song drop, them say a hits. But next year, you know, you hear nothing about it again. You understand? Seem like in the past songs them. But the song with Skip Marley, and no, me no hear nobody talk about it. So how not talk about some song and not talk about the other song them? Him do much he collab with people. I mean, you not talk about it. So what happened? Them song they not valid. Remember, you know, man. Remember when him and Shensia do his song? We not talk about it. We not say him make his song it. Yeah, man. And look how much he collab him do. So people, so one with Skip Marley, you know. Zine? Yeah, man. You have a next one. One with him and French Montana. Me not hear them talk about that one day. You understand? That one little remix of White and thing. Them not talk about that. I mean, I say, wait, French Montana no one. A big artist, man, I was going. Me not see no energy, I was going. Yeah, man. Body now meds it. You see it. And you have a next one with him and Lila IK. When I see it on the screen, me not hear them talk about it. That me I try show you, know. This is when the industry try protect you. Yeah, man. Them pick and choose, pick and choose. You saw them pick. You saw them pick him and Shensia one, you know why? Because Shensia label, pump, money in a hit and run song. Big promotion going. How much 1,000 million views by the song must reach 140 million. You know. Seeing? Yeah, man. Them talk about that, them must say, yo, MASICKA this way. So wait, so want to the color with Lila IK and Skip Marley. How you not own up them one day? What? So nobody not talk about them? Wait the people more there. That one here with him and Cranium. Yeah, man. Him and Cranium on the seat on the screen. Them not talk about that. Yeah, man. Video do everything. Him and Cranium, you know, Cranium a good artist. But what happened? So much song, drop features, drop. Oh, nobody not talk about the features them. Eh? I don't say man drop consistency. With the hit, if him a hit maker, him supposed to hit with every song. But we no hide the song them where nobody not talk about the song them where flop. We no hide them song there. And they want them now where, cause let me tell you know why them not too talk about them one year? Because Def Jam we sign him now pump no money in this them 1 year. You understand? But look here, Def Jam never pump none in a hit and run. So how come them run with it? You know why? Cause hit and run go big. And I never him make hit and run big. A Shensia. Cause imagine Shensia and him song. At that time, biggest song in him catalog. We him ever do. Him biggest song, hit and run. And not even for him song. It was a solo song with Shensia. And she does say, alright, she turned in a collab. You see it and link him. Right now, Shensia even perform the song without him. Enough places she go to perform hit and run without him. Cause it was a solo song. You see it? But me I say, yo, him and Cranium, me I say, then how you not talk about them song here? Cause I don't feel like you not gonna get away no. You can't say man a drop hits and rare. But how much song drop with him and features you don't talk about it? That now make no sense. You understand? Yeah man. So wait there. People, we have a next song. What's your name? Mahalia. You understand? Mahalia. One girl from UK. Featuring him. Me no hear them talk about it. How what happen? No man. You can't say Crux them a drop beer hits. And when him much song forward out, you not pay them. That not make no sense, brother. Me know say the little hype, you know. Me not go bash enough what I do. But me know the little hype what I bring with the little war thing and everything. Everything is a momentum. People just watch what I go on. Everything them a go push him up way. Cause album coming soon. You understand? So them have to keep him current up there. You see me? Between Alkaline and Cartel thing, I have to keep him up there. So keep the momentum for when the album ready for drop. Cause maybe as good as all December. Cause December alone him drop album, you know. Yeah man, December alone him drop album. Cause remember I say album soon finish. You understand? Yeah man, remember I say album soon finish. So we are gonna see what go on. You know, make sure say that one you go number one, you know, cause be a number two him stock. You see it? So we have to see what go on. Yeah man, but Mahalia, the girl from UK, we not hear nobody talk about that. See, we have a next one. Him alone name Overdose. Me not to hear them talk about that one there. See, the song when drop recently, them I say this Cartel to this Alkaline. I don't know what kind of this go on in that. You know, I don't understand what that mean. You understand? That look like just a song or just a drop, like a, you know. I don't know why not that for say yo man get this. Me see all them flag a run out and I talk about yo. So only that say MASICKA coward from where there. And now the man drop song and not answer. I say bro, stop it brother. Stop it. We see the game on now play, you know. Yeah man, we see the game on now play, bro. Now go work. We see say we don't want the little hype and thing for the album we soon drop. You see it? Yeah man. But if we not talk about it, brother, we can't have so much features, bro, and so much song. We nobody not talk about for the year, this year. And I say we not always a drop. It's that now make no sense, bro. That now make no sense. You understand? We not hide them song you hide. That's why I try to show. If MASICKA feature upon so much song when me call out a while ago, and nobody not talk about it, that means the one with Shensia, I know him do it then. I know him do it. Him not have the power. Because him drop some hot song and then that's it. I be a hot song. But we know the industry say them and say, yo, you want drop hit song. When the industry push you know, everything they man hide the one them will flap. And you see one them where them want choose to hit, yeah man, them just push that one there. Yeah man. Because of everything them hide, you know. But soon after, but wait, you know, him better make sure say Def Jam. Remember, because if this is the last album with Def Jam, you know. Boy, we not go see people, we not go see the poop. Remember say when MASICKA sign, you know, people start giving like that, you know. See? I remember say, you know, in my job, I just album thing. Bro. Brother, I tell you already, you know, you better make sure say Def Jam sign you for life, because we know say a Def Jam I put in the work, I help you structure your thing, and them you understand? Push your thing, market your thing right now. And it's a good look. But make sure we know say Def Jam not really make no money like that. You understand? Because we know the label thing stay. And I just show the man who want the label rate and thing, but why people are gonna see the true thing. Yeah man. I gonna see the true thing. Them say one floor. And this is the thing, you know. Them say the one floor work. I mean I say, yo bro, this you not understand, bro. I say how long the one floor thing, to me, yeah, the floor just a work for like Jamaica not a 90%. The one little floor. You understand? But the thing is that if every song sound the same, who's gonna get that big impact there? You understand? Who's gonna get the big impact? You see me? So much song drop people and them not talk about it. Lee like a Cranium, him and French Montana, the girl from UK, him and Skip Marley them. how much song, even Scope, like, me no hear them say nothing about Scope. Maybe through them, they think say him this cartel, so them a say him coward. So when Scope drop, like, a bad song, like, them say, yo, nobody now meds that. At that flap the song, you know. Cause I look at Gaza fan left him side. So him a say, yo, when him drop that, nobody now pre like, you know bad. You understand? At that kind of, no make that song they get, wait for get, you know. You understand? So, this is the thing. We not say man drop it and this and that. But man can have so much features out there and song. And we not talk about it. We not talk about only a set of song where we no rate or where the label are promote the most. You understand? That's the one them drop recently. That's I don't know why not that. The people them did say be a same flow everything. So soon after that nah go on with nothing. Them a go run with rich sex and every little thing. I see what them a try do. Them have some page a post. Oh it gone 10 million way. Come on. No found so exposed with them views, you know. Remember me tell you, no found so exposed with the views them. You understand? So people are got know truly the views them we are buy if you make things look good. You understand? Because we see a lot of time MASICKA go out there, in the world go sling and the crowd stand up dead pan him. You understand? And people are wonder, I want to go on, I want to that crowd. It's not the crowd. It's the way I want to go on with the artists in Jamaica, make them feel like them big in the world, and when them go out there now the people them know the song. Because what I be a hot song and drop on no hits. It drop hot at Jamaica because it's on hot out here. But when it go over there now, different temperature, maybe like a hotness, it's like nothing dead. The same song they wanna say, yo, I hit song a yard and read this, that. When it go over there, so it just lay asleep on bed. The crowd stand up dead. I wonder what karaoke thing this. You understand? So, when I say a man, I drop hits, this, that. And me I say, wait, I wanna go on so. Because theme song them, I'm not gonna say I'm a good artist, but the way I want to talk, like say, yo, every song when him drop a hit, and I say it work, brother. But just call you too much song a while ago. See? Because I see them, you know. But I don't say nothing, but I watch if you don't go talk about them and all of these things. You understand? Because you can't say, yo, I call up on a theme song and rain. No. I know so it work. When you own up Shensi and I say, yo, Shensi, I must make this and Ray. Yo, Shensi and MASICKA hit and go big way. When you own up that song there because why? That song they go global. So we through them song and go global, no own up them one. And that me no rate with the dancehall thing or some hypocrite thing I go on. You understand? Because when artists drop them song and nobody no makes it, them don't pull it up. But we know when the industry protect your people, they make it seems like say, everything always good. Them hide the bad part them. You understand? Them hide the bad part them. Me see MASICKA do some show. And I say, yo, John, this not look good enough. I never see one of them put it up here. But make out some artists do it. They're all over the media. People are bashing everything. Yeah, man, I saw them do it, man. But we know the thing set. And we're going to see how long. Because him say album done soon forward up. You see it. It's going to full of collab. I tell you, MASICKA can't do one solo album. I tell you, people are going to say, yo, everything sound the same. I tell the only people, let me tell you this. The only... Yeah, I must say Alkaline alone. I really see the solo album with him alone. But in a dancehall, I don't see no solo album by people. Them always are the features. I'm tell you one now. How them album they get strength. See? Because I don't see none where bad like New Level and Lock. See? And the Alkaline. Enough hits over there. Almost every song on that album they hit. See? Them say MASICKA album good. Yeah. Can get it at 80%. But you know why it good? It's because the artist them will feature upon it. Make him flow seems different. And if Popcorn upon it Spice, all of them artists, I Lila, Ike, Chronic Lord, they Dexter up with dip on it, that I go give like a more powerful look based on feed them fan base, I will react to it and give it the strength. You understand? That's why you hear them talk about, yo, 2 solid album rate. Make MASICKA do a solo album and see if him have that true potential there of a man we can, yo, make an album unique. Make him try that, no? Make him try that and see what happen. Because right now, I look at collab them, we might get pan the album and the album seems good. I tell you that that's how you show an artist true talent. If an artist can do an album by himself, I saw you know the talent of the artist, the different sounds, different lyrics, you understand, different theme, the versatility, you understand. Make him do that and see if him really that true artist will bring, you see me, that energy there. You understand? So, the album them can go on and thing, we not go bash it. You see it? But me know say, yo, the feature them. Cause if every time the man do a song, the people them say, yo, same flow, this, that. Bro, and them not understand, you know, if you keep on do song and it's same flow, me hear some people say it at work. But you not understand, and that are the problem. No for you no want see MASICKA grow from that, you know. That's why they say, yo, it a work. Work how? It a work with Jamaica alone. Me see you no hype up the man song and everything and the man go BRT and the crowd stand up dead. You understand? The crowd stand up dead. Pan the man, the same song them wanna say hit. The crowd stand up dead. The people them don't connect to the song them. The little gangster them are rare we sing it, but the man song them not impactful in a way where next 5 years people are sing about it and rare, bro. Look on Tyrant. Me see me there in a party and Tyrant plays like, yo, people them say, yo, I wish them forgot about it. Remember when now hype up Tyrant. Them time the album sign him, not push him because album are forward and all of them look something there. How much song? I mean, I say, wait. A hot song them my brother cause when him go far and go perform, the crowd them now rock. It will rock in a Jamaica. Cause this the song them market more. The song them we not see no big major collab overseas. The only somebody me see him do a French Montana, but French Montana right now, him not really have the swing like that right now. We see what Skilly I do. We see the feature them what Shensi I do. You understand? But with MASICKA thing, I don't know what go on. Cause me tell you, any day you see a report come out and Def Jam say him left Def Jam, I hit that, brother. I hit that cause all of them video where you not see at Def Jam, them a put money in it. You understand? Some of them songs you wanna see, it a go up on the album. You understand? It's an album moment a go on right now. Cause him say album done. I mean, if him say album done, that a release soon. Maybe like December. You understand? But me know say maybe no next year, cause if him say it done, them a go push it out that year. And last year it did for push out, But through the momentum with Cartel falling in a road and everything, them now want to drop it and it flop. So them wait till a year after now. Cause so them do it, You see, just wait. Yo, a bass song. I go drop for this month, go straight to December. Them go prep it up. Yo man, hits, and then boom. Drop the album in a December. You understand? Yeah man, a hits album. Yeah man. Greatest album of all time. Way. And when you check it, I just few songs them talk about. See? That me I try to show you. Because I see when him drop GOK, you see by January, when Russian them start drop all the rhythm them, Dirty Money rhythm, and the man them start, people forget about that. Forget about the album. Away, a Shensia come save him with the hit and run. Shensia. Him do collab with Romeo Virgo, nobody not talk about it. Him drop couple song. I think I another year they told. I must say last year. Him drop 40matic. No, I think a 20matic him drop. And it go on with that thing. Cause you know a hot song them. You can know a hot song from different. Them talk about it a few moments and then them forget about that. It's like hot song just stay for a couple months in a year, but you not reach next year. You see it. Whites, we can say whites, yeah. That song the market big. Whites. So you know when they play a foreign, yeah. A whites alone me can say, yo, you understand? So that me I try to tell the people. All of these collabs we him do, them not talk about it. You can't say a man a drop hits and the man a do so much collab and no say, yo, man have some song when I hit, You go on like say, yo, every song hit. But you no realize, look here, brother, you can't go and prep up MASICKA about one flow and it a work, bro. And you realize, and some artists grow, brother. And some artists grow. Artists have to be versatile. We can't say Alkaline a one flow, we can't say Cartel a one flow, I do on a one flow. How much artists you can look on and say, yo, Popcorn and a one flow. And it shows say, yo, them man they are grow. You understand? When them man they touch all overseas and nothing normal. But when MASICKA drop overseas now, the crowd them stand up dead there. The people them don't even talk about him show. You see them put up some show, Observer. I can't know, The Observer show, they don't put him up with Sunfest. I see them put him up a show him do long as intelligent, black and rare. We don't know, big promotion, they want to make it look good and nice. You understand? I remember say that show them build up the momentum. Seem like the truck show, man. Dream never follow the Cartel show. That build up the momentum, so everybody wants to see what will happen. I see him with the one them do long as St. Elizabeth weekend, we're going. Through the little Cartel thing and the little war thing, them we are going round. Same this Alkaline and this Cartel. Yeah, it build up the moment. You see me because the media powerful now, But you not gonna realize what I want. You understand? Me see it. Me see it a forward. You see me? But people they don't know, you know. We just want to know what go on, because a lot of people don't know what go on because them hide them things from the people them. Him do much feature with artists, them not talk about it. It show me say MASICKA not really that powerful yet when it comes to music, bro. You understand? Because all of these songs were drop features. Nothing now go on feed. Remember in a theme thing, him all in a video with the Skip Marley, you know. And we say wait. Then if you say the man a drop it and the man in a this, what go on so? We're not supposed to talk about every song, man. Him and Cranium. We're not supposed to talk about every song when him do Lila IK. We're not supposed to talk about it. Same like how they talk about Shensia, but no. True Shensia label pump the song and it get big. We don't run with that car while no one big song pa no. Okay, let's not say work on a phone song, brother. On a phone song. Right now, MASICKA can't perform it and run. And if him, Shensia can do it. You understand? But we know the thing set already. We're not trying to make a shortcut, but long run short catch. You see it. But people don't know in a media facts, you know. That is it.